in today's video, I'll teach you how to auto-delete YouTube activity on PC. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want your watch history and other activities to be automatically deleted, what you have to do is simply click on this option, history. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the watch history interface. What you have to do is click on this option, manage all history, that you can see on your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to access the settings related with the YouTube history. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for auto delete. What you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to select the time period. Make sure this option for auto delete activity older than is selected over here. Now what you have to do is select the time period. Simply click on the field of time period. Now you'll be able to find three options over here. What you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to confirm the preferences. Click on this option, confirm. Now after you do that, you can see over here the preference has been saved. That means your activity will automatically be deleted after 3 months. So that is how you automatically delete YouTube activity on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.